Through our Biodiversity Program, we're working to protect the plant and animal species and communities native to Tasmania's southern region. Focusing on threatened species, threatened ecological communities and important biodiversity areas, our work with partners is delivering broad benefits to our landscapes. We're addressing the threats that are putting our environment and native species at risk, while also building resilience in our landscapes. But we haven't done this alone. Working with our trusted partners, individual landholders, and with support from the community, we are making significant strides towards ensuring the preservation of our region's natural treasures.
Feral, stray and roaming domestic cats are putting Bruny Island's native wildlife at risk. We've worked with partners on a project to reduce their impact on this biodiversity hotspot, including with Biosecurity Tasmania on research and alternative trapping methods, with Bruny Farming on cage trapping, and on community engagement initiatives with Kingborough Council, as well as supporting an Aboriginal trainee ranger position with the South East Tasmanian Aboriginal Corporation and Kingborough Council.
The Bruny Island Cat Management Project is a holistic program looking at control of domestic, stray and feral cats. NRM South came on board. They've been able to create a holistic project with bringing all those moving parts together to really value add and exponentially improve the outputs of the program. We've been able to really promote and support Aboriginal custodianship of land on Bruny Island through employing a trainee Aboriginal land management officer. The community has responded really well, and they can see that overall we're having a big impact and that their part is really important.
The partnership between Biosecurity Tasmania, Kingborough Council, NRM South and Bruny Island Farming has been really important. It sort of covers a lot of bases in terms of community involvement as well as local involvement in the project and buy-in in the project. And we work together to try and get the best outcomes for the project. We have a really good data set now on what feral cats are doing on Bruny Island. So we've really dramatically decreased by tenfold the population of feral cats on North Bruny Island.
119 cats have been removed from the project area. We have a better understanding on the best way to deal with the island's remaining feral cats in a way that's sensitive to the island's native wildlife. The local community and visitors also have a better understanding of local bylaws and their responsibilities.
Our Threatened Plants project worked with several partner organisations across 3 sub-projects to protect Southport Heath, Moresby's Gum and Blackall-Brookers forest communities. It's helped to boost important seed banks, extend the range of critically endangered gum and protect the world's only population of a critically endangered heath species. It's also improved landholder understanding of how to protect forest remnants and important ecological communities in covenants.
Working with NRM South, we've been able to work with a range of landholders all over the southern region of Tasmania to identify and share information about the habitat that's on their properties and facilitate the registration of conservation covenants on their land. They play a really critical role in protecting habitats that don't occur in our public reserve systems or our national parks. Many of the natural values that occur on private land don't occur in other areas of the state. So working with landholders to identify and protect those areas are critical. Working with NRM South has also been really beneficial for lots of our other programs. So when we combine all of these projects together, we start seeing a connected landscape. So we're seeing a protected landscape where everyone is managing their patch for the same objective of conservation.
The Difficult Bird Research Group has been working with NRM South for many years now on a range of species, including the swift parrot, the 40-spotted pardalote and the orange-bellied parrot. NRM South bridged the gap between the desire for local landholders to protect creatures on their patch and the need for urgent scientific research to work out how best to protect species, and our federal environment regulations that require us to protect those species. And that role of NRM South, connecting people and bridging these gaps, is crucial.
Across our Biodiversity Program, we have worked with partner organisations on 9 projects over the last 5 years. By harnessing collective efforts and leveraging diverse expertise, we are not only protecting our unique ecosystems, but also bringing diverse benefits to our treasured landscapes. We look forward to continuing these collaborations into the future.